You see how hard this is? This is not easy, Alexis.
Where's the camera? Over here. No.
That light or no? Man, this is hard. I need a videographer. Yeah, guess I'll do. Okay. Start again.
Got my mic again.
You need to try this. Oh, where's the thing? Camera. I need a bowl. Let me get a bowl. Okay, I'm buying box lights. I can't do this no more. Alexis, I can't do this no more. Just want you to know. I know, it was so close. We're gonna get in there, Alexis. Start again. Start again, Alexis.
So thanks for joining me in the fancy kitchery. The fancy kitchery. I am making chocolate cupcakes with Did you pick that clean? And as always, all of the recipe will be written in the description. So I have creamed 2 sticks of butter. I have put in 5 cups of sifted flour. Really? Help me again, Twix, Milky Way, what else?
Three Musketeers, Snickers,
Yes, here. Okay, start again. What do you do when a chocoholic requests a chocolate cake? Chocoholic? Chocolate lover.
Sure.
No, I gotta do that all again.
You go. You're doing it.
I'm not, because I'm messing up. So we're gonna get started in putting. Stop! Don't look at me.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
See, you did that to me.
I said stop it!
Y'all are haters, you know. I see y'all over there.